Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to learn some sentences of advanced English. It will develop proficiency in your English. Normal है I am sorry I am late. But in advanced English we will say I am sorry to keep you waiting. It is hard job. It is a daunting task. You are so lucky. You are so jammy. Leave me alone. Give me a break. I am eating food. I am having a meal. Keep it secret. Keep it under wraps. I am very tired. I am worn out. Can I come tomorrow? Can I drop in tomorrow? That's very good. That's outstanding. Keep quiet. Zip your lips. Hope you get it, guys. Thank you so much.